I got done planting my bamboo and I had to make a run to the grocery store. On my way home, I don't think it's windy. Yeah, it's windy. Wind gusts over 60. If you can see the out here. Constant over 40, over 60 here. You know. Check out this tree. Check out the bird. No disrespect the quads, hotshot fires, Mr. Steel and old Bardwell and stuff. Yeah, 3 packs a day, Bardwell. Well, you ain't gonna hit the gaps around your farm if the wind's blowing like this, homeboy. You ain't gonna hit a gap that's 6 foot frickin' wide unless you really got a lot of room to line her up and hang on. Woo! There you go, watch them. You know, I said, that's why I have a hell of a time and I ain't gonna be up flying. But they did knock down the alfalfa while I was coming to town. I seen them pull in, they're knocking down the field. Hopefully it'll quit blowing so bad and cool down here in the middle of the week. Maybe I can go do some flying right up my back door. But yeah, no offense to the pro bigwigs making all the neat vids, but they don't fly in wind like this shit. They ain't gonna hit no freaking foot by foot gap out where I'm at. But I said, check them out, Mr. Steele and Joshua Bardwell. They're awesome dudes, man. But where they fly 99% of the time, there ain't even a freaking leaf on a tree moving, let alone a blade of grass. Yeah, that's easy. Alright, that's all I wanted to say. I'm busy with both hands and I got a corner I gotta watch out for here. It's kind of blind, so I ain't recommended procedure, but it's all good. Woo! Look at the trees. Feel that breeze? Yeah, it's 94 degrees. Pretty toasty. Yeah, baby. Yeah, peace, love. Check out Joshua Bardwell on YouTube and Mr. Steele. They're awesome pilots.